If you travel a lot, you know the real drama starts at the check-in counter. Not at security, not at boarding. Nope, right where your bags get weighed. And the logic? Well, let's talk about that. Picture this. On the left, we've got Bob. He weighs 120 kilos and his suitcase comes in at a slim 19. The scale flashes 20 kilograms max and the agent beams. "All good, sir," Bob strolls through. "No problem." Now on the right, meet Sally. She's 45 kilos soaking wet, but her suitcase tips the scale at a scandalous 21 kilograms. Same limit, same sign, same check-in desk. But this time, the agent's face goes from sunshine to storm cloud faster than a flight delay. "Sorry, you're over the limit, just 1 extra kilo." And suddenly, it's a federal case. Here's the kicker. Bob plus bag is 139 kilograms. Sally plus bag is just 66. But hey, she's the danger to aviation safety because of a single rogue shampoo bottle. Somehow the laws of physics bend at the check-in counter. The plane couldn't care less about who's carrying the weight. It's the baggage that counts, not the person. Maybe one day airlines will realize it's all going up in the air together. Until then, just remember, it's not about how heavy you are, just how heavy that bag is. So next time you travel, pack light and don't question the logic. It's airline policy, not science.